Welcome back to RotoCityTech. Today we are out here in New Mexico camping, and this is like our second, third morning, I can't remember, but anyways, I just decided to film a little bit of a vlog of me cooking my breakfast and setting that up. One thing I did want to touch on is back here, so we got here Thursday, today is Saturday. I did turn on my generator because we were down to about 11.8 on our battery, so we're going to charge that for a couple of hours to get that back up to where we want it, 12.1 or so, 12.2. But I'm going to set the camera up, I'm going to set up my little stove, my cast iron, and we're going to get some breakfast started. So I do want to point out that this is the old regulator that you would hook up to your propane tank for my little stove. But I bought this quick adapter that I just screwed onto my stove here, and it has this end, this quick connect, so that I can hook up to my propane on my camper. One thing that happened yesterday was this little screw head broke off, and so I'm gonna have to fix that at some point before we leave. But we're gonna just disconnect this and plug in our stove. Bella's new cage. We're gonna finish up cooking this bacon. We're gonna throw in some eggs, some of these little cherry tomatoes, and that'll be our breakfast.
Thanks.
Happy camper.